can see this much crocodiles. There are a lot of crocodiles here. They are not even moving. It looks like a statue. Come to day 8. Marayur, sorry. We're in Marayur, and from here there is a waterfall in 13 kilometers. We have decided to go there and bath. Kidding? Then we'll leave to Hyderabad. Not possible today. Till Kurnool maybe. Mostly I'm planning to reach till Kurnool at least, or till AP Anantapur, anywhere nearby this. Let's see what happens. The waterfall, 13 kilometers from Marayur, the room where we stayed yesterday. So I'm walking there. From here on, they say 500 meters walk. So after walking, let's see the waterfall. I can hear the waterfall. So that's really good. See you there. Actually, we haven't bathed any waterfall in this whole trip. So Srikanth wanted to have a bath there. So that's the reason we are going to a waterfall. Let's see. Route to waterfall. So we are just following the trails, and this is what the trails looks like. See the backside, and I can hear the voice, the noise of waterfall. This water noise camera will also capture. I don't know how much distance it is. Let's see. The waterfall. Sorry. We reached to the waterfall, and this is actually Kantluru waterfall, which is 10 kilometers Marayur actually, and this is the waterfall view. And there is nobody here literally. This is, I think, weekend waterfall. Most probably in weekend there will be public, but right now it's not a weekend, it's Monday, so everybody is busy. Here we are. So just now we have completed our waterfall. So there are a lot of waterfalls when you're coming from Munnar to Coimbatore, or even if you are going to Munnar to Kochi, you will face a lot of waterfalls. You can enjoy any waterfall. So I came this particularly one because we never enjoyed a waterfall in this whole journey. So I just wanted to explore a waterfall, which is good enough. So that's how we did. So now we are going back, and we came on time. Just when we completed our bath, people started coming. That's how it happened. So peace out. In the morning I didn't see much, but this view is really very nice. Wow, look at the view. This is where I have parked my bike. See, nice view. We completed 50,000 kilometers riding, and I saw this beautiful waterfall. Finally, some wild animals. Actually, I'm hoping for elephant. He's coming towards us, enjoying our view. Leaving God's own country visit again. That is Tamil Nadu checkpost, and that is Kerala checkpost, which we passed. Ah, 0.74 in Tamil Nadu. So we just now came to Tamil Nadu. We entered in Tamil Nadu, and there is a crocodile park. So we are going inside. Farm guys, park. where it is written it is a crocodile, Amravati Crocodile Center. That's it. Nothing else. See? This is I'll show you. Crocodile Park. That is an entry ticket. Entry gate. I had only one dream to watch elephants, but where there? Array! I don't know. Array! 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, lot of crocodiles, man. Trolls. All are resting. Oh, are you never in Ira? మీదికి బాబు అనరా అరే ఇవి స్టాచ్యూస్ అనుకుంటా క్రొకొడైల్ ఇట్స్ గోయింగ్ ఇన్సైడ్ ద వాటర్ బాప్రే ఫస్ట్ టైం ఐమ్ వాచింగ్ ఎ క్రొకొడైల్ దిస్ మచ్ క్లోజ్ ఓయమ్మ ఇది నోరు తెరిచే కూర్చుంది 30 rupees ticket, actually 20 rupees ticket only, 10 rupees for parking. For 30 rupees ticket, you can see this much crocodiles. There are a lot of crocodiles here. A lot. They are not even moving, it looks like a statue. But they are real. So all are real ones. Oh, look at that. I'll show you just a minute. Just look at them, man. Look at the teeth. Whoa. See, this is how you realize this is not statues, these are actually crocodiles. See, actual crocodile, not statue. Oh, what is it doing? Man. That sounds so incredible. Oh, what are you doing, Macha? I'm relaxed. I'm just taking videos. That's it. There are a lot of crocodiles. A lot. Mummy, what happened? What happened to you, Macha? Relax. It's relaxing. Man. This one is moving. Oh, it's literally moving. The time I entered in Tamil Nadu, I'm having very good vibes here. Feels like home. And a lot of things are good. Food is also good. Take, drive. Give my helmet. Dam also. This is actually Amravati Nagar. And here only you can see crocodile. And this dam. You have to go straight for crocodiles. And this is the dam. So Shrikant's leg actually injured in the waterfall in the morning today. So I'm suggesting him to take a bus from here, from Erode, which is around 50 kilometers from here. So let's see what happens. So I think I'm gonna be a solo ride for a while. Let's see. So just now Shrikant left through bus from Erode, and I'm in Erode right now, and from here on more than 750 kilometers, and it's going to be completely solo ride. So it's going to be a different experience, and I wanted to have a solo ride, so this way I could have a solo ride. And Shrikant was feeling very bad that he couldn't join me through whole complete trip to complete this trip. Anyways, things happened. He was unable to walk, so I said he is better with bus, something like that. So anyways, so from here on it's only you guys and me only. So whenever I'm going to stop, I'm going to do a vlog, and I don't even have a charger. So 70% left, and I'm going to do non-stop from here on to Hyderabad. So let's see how it's going to be and how much time it's going to be take. So chill out. So right now I'm at Salem, and I have traveled around 60 kilometers from Erode, and that is Salem. And this is National Highway 544, and from here on I'm going to move to National Highway 44, which is a good road. This is also a 4-lane road, and that is also going to be 4-lane road. In National Highway 44, I know that road from Madurai to Hyderabad. I have driven that road in the same bike only. So I know the road, so let's see what's it going to be. Anyways, so from here on, Bangalore is 180 kilometers, and I want to take a small break. And from here on, I have to travel more 720 to 730 kilometers. Previously, I don't have to travel 750; it was around 820. So I have traveled 100 kilometers. From here on, 720, 730 kilometers it is. So, and I also completed 3000 kilometers since my last servicing. So I'm thinking to whether do a oil change and travel, or just travel and then give service in Hyderabad only, because not only oil change, I have to also change a chain kit and other things are also there. So anyhow I have to give servicing after going to Hyderabad. So I'm in a dilemma right now. So let's take a small break and then think about it. What is it? I don't know. There are insects all over me, so I have to wear my jacket and start again. So just now I had my dinner in Mangalam, and I also met Srikanth here. So luckily I got my charger, so no need to worry about charging anymore. And 18 kilometers more to go for Banglore. Let's see how it's going to be. Just now entered to Karnataka. 25 kilometers away from Bangalore. Mostly Bangalore has already started, I think. So I've just now entered Bangalore city. You can see this is Bangalore city, and I'm gonna have a fuel stop in Karnataka. 1 rupees in Karnataka. So in Karnataka it is 101.8, and in AP it will be 109, and in our Telangana it will be 107. So that's the reason I wanted to, do a full tank before I enter AP. And it's just, I think, 50 kilometers to the border of AP. Let's go. I have to cross city first. As you can see, that is Bangalore Metro. This is Bangalore city. There's a lot of traffic here still. A lot. So I'm almost out of the city, as my mobile holder has been broken, and there is no pillion with me. Getting some trouble for directions. To check map again and again, I have to remove my mobile again, and I have to start bike. And I have to check the directions. That's the only trouble I'm getting here. Apart from that, everything is good. See? This is the ending. IT hub of Bangalore. Do this. It's actually from here on 500 kilometers for Hyderabad. I can do this, but it's literally freezing here, too cold here. I'm unable to drive, so I have to do cab. Mostly I'm planning in AP, which is around 10-15 kilometers from here, the border of AP. So let's see. From here on more 35 kilometers for AP border, but I think I can't make till there. I have to stay somewhere near in Karnataka only, in the border. So I asked this petrol pump employees, or owner, anybody, I don't know, to have a camp set up here. They said you can have a setup here anywhere.
Keeping closed, beating, hiding. I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name.
This is where I have spent my whole, half night. For the whole night. That is a petrol pump. This is the place. This is my bike. And this is my tent. So guys, my packing is been done. And it's 6:40 right now. And just want to use the washroom. It's actually busy. After that, I will start mostly. And actually wanted to tell you this, that if you like my videos, please hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel, because this won't charge anything for you, but it will help me a lot for growth and further things anyhow. So, and also do comment and tell me what are the changes I need to do, and what is the better I can do, how I can do more better and all that things. Let's see you guys, and more 500 kilometers to go.
Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name.
So finally I'm going to eat some Telugu food. So, here. So traveled 120 kilometers in past 1 hour 45 minutes. Yeah, 1 hour 40 minutes. Non-stop 120 kilometers. More 380 kilometers to go. Just now had my breakfast and we'll go. 35 kilometers from Kurnool, and I saw this. Wow. I'll show you in zoom. So I just now crossed Telangana border. That is it. See my backside. So in last 30 hours I've been into Kerala border, I've been into Tamil Nadu border, I've been into Karnataka border, I've been into AP border, and now just crossed Telangana border. 5 states in 30 hours. That's the record, man. एक लाइक तो बनता है इस रिकॉर्ड के लिए. 5 states, man. So please do like my videos and also do subscribe to my channel. I think it's 2 PM right now, and think I'm gonna reach my home by 6 p.m. like that, more 4 hours, because the traffic will be there once I enter the city. So, peace out. Eating Telangana food after long time. Less than half tank left in my fuel. Petrol in my bike. So 180 kilometers more to go. But how it is, will it go or I have to take another fuel stop? Let's see. Finally, I reached home. It's around 6 a.m. Sorry, 6 p.m. 6 o'clock. And this is my luggage. So guys, if you like my videos, please hit the like button, and please share your thoughts. How I could be better in this whole trip. What I have missed, and what I could have done better. Please let me know these all things, and please do subscribe to my channel. And as I'm a new YouTuber, please do support me. Thank you.